Hey everyone, welcome back to DeFi Monkey. It's been a while since the last video. Today I'm just going to go over what we're doing in Dino, check in with Poly Farm, and also check in with Poly York, and just see what's going on. Okay, so first I'm going to dive into Dino. The token prices continue to take a dive. It's down around $1 now. I got in here on the channel at about $3.70, I believe. It was right close to the top. So the channel's, our liquidity token, the impermanent loss is quite substantial right now. On my personal account, it's even more so. But I'm actually still holding on, and I still think that there's something here. I know that this chart tells otherwise, and probably cutting your losses would be more clever, but I am not clever. I am a Degen farmer, and I want to hold on for dear life, because I do think that this project has still lots of potential, because of their partnership still coming out. So I'm kind of like holding on. Yeah, so there's still lots of people farming. It's nowhere near what it was. There's still, in my belief, a lot of robotics selling here. This could be because of the platform itself and their kind of like games to keep people involved in the Jurassic pools and the tar pits and things like that. Let's just go over to check out. The chart looks like shit. Is it $1? But if your money's in there and you're farming, then what are you going to do? The market cap has dropped substantially. It was close to 500 million. Came down to 400 for a while, then 300, then 250, and now 160. So we're going to find out where all this money is gone. But I'm not doing it now. I've been a little bit busy. So. Last time also what we did was we, instead of selling the Dino, and the same this time, we're taking a big bet on Dino. So this time I'm going to excavate, and I'm going to take another bet on Dino. Now you at home, maybe this isn't the right move for you. Maybe you got in at a different time. I probably wouldn't recommend what I'm doing right now to anyone, because it's probably more sensible to sell and take the profit. It's been a few days. There's 31 Dino here. That's $31. Go over to my table where we're somewhere. Hold on, where is it? So go over to my table here and take some profit. Got $38 so far. I can add another $30 to that, right? But this 996, which is how much we invested into this pair, let's go look at what it looks like right now. Also, the APY has fallen now. It's 351, so it's just shy of 1% a day. But look, it's at 537, our initial investment. So it's up to you what you're going to do. Are you going to sell out and continue to take profit? Now on this $500, 1% a day, over 30 days, 30%, am I going to make it up this way, and am I going to farm and dump, or am I thinking that the token price is going to come back? A lot of people might think I'm mad that the token price is going to come back, but so what we did last time was we put our tokens into these extinction pools. So you can see we've earned a little bit. We only put 8 in there, 10 in there. So we're earning such a tiny amount of quick. And then I think we also put some in these Jurassic pools too. Yeah, USDT. So we put 10 in here. We've earned 28 cents in this one. So if there's more substantial number, maybe this one would work. But I'm still thinking that the token price is going to come back. The big difference between these two is the Jurassic pools. There's no burn. you know. So at any time, I'm earning this 28 cents of UST, US Terra. Thank you for calling me out last time on that. And my DINO here will, you know, if I believe my DINO will increase in price, right, then staking it here means I can still unstake it wherever I want. These 10 are available, right? If I put it over here in the fossil farm, in the extinction pools, right, I burn the DINO. I burn the DINO and I get whatever this other token reward in return for it, yeah? So your deposited DINO will be burnt and the earning rewards will be distributed over the duration of the pool, yeah? So 100% of the DINO will be burned, okay? So, you know, if I think that DINO is going to go up in price, then maybe this one is better for me, yeah? So I'll be earning a stable coin. I don't know what this is. Maybe I could look into these projects and take a bigger bet on one of these projects. It's kind of like doubling down, you know. So I'm just going to add more to here for now. I'm going to add the DINO that I have. I'm not going to mark it down in my table as profit, because right now it's not. I still have it all my cards on the table, you know, all my chips are out. So I'm just kind of doubling down here, yeah. So if not, what you could have done is take that, and if you haven't watched some of my earlier videos, I'm just farming and dumping. So then I could come here, go to DINO, and swap it out. So that's DINO, guys. It's continued to, the price has continued to fall. Let's just keep checking in with it, right? I'm going to quickly now just go on to Poly Farm and Poly York. We didn't get into Poly York, but we know some people that did. Some other people that have been watching mentioned that they had. And just actually, I forgot on DINO here, the liquidity has dropped dramatically, right? Look, in the last 24 hours, the trading's picked up, but it seems to be a lot of sell action. Yeah. So anyway, that's DINO. So Poly York, this is the daily. It's just dropped as well, like any good farm. But I'll show you, let's see, 249 addresses. There's still fuck all people that are using this farm. I think it's like been and gone now. And now they have Poly York Gold. Yeah? So York was this one. York was this one. Let's see, what's the token? It's at $2 now. But it's a layered farm. So now they have Poly York Gold, which you could have then staked some of your gold and Poly York, you know, and they're working with Poly Doge, so York Poly Doge pairs. An interesting one with this is they have like pairs that aren't the farm token. So they got Aave USDC, and they had another one. Yeah, this strange, it's like DeFi Mars Army or something. So anyway, just a quick update on Poly York, and then we've got Poly Farm, which, I mean, look, it's still at $6. It's obviously, you know, crashed, like, you know, it was ranging here for a while, but now it's down to $6. But you know what? It's still there. There's still 1,300 people holding the token right now, and here's another $5. I mean, I know that it's not much, but our $1,000 is still in here, $5.30, and I'll be adding that here. This one was profitable, $5.30, you know. So now we're up to $50, and that's you know, so we've made $10. So all this work, right, and it's made $10. So is farming really for you? I don't know. I'm working with smaller numbers here, and I definitely have not been as onto it as maybe all you guys have, like following along like every day. I've been slack on making the videos, but you know, in all this work, we said it'd go run for a month, and you know, all in all, we made $10. So you know, you figure out if it's really worth it for you. I'm just going to go and swap it out in sushi, spade, and now it can't be found. Do we have a problem here? It can't be found, so I go here to the contract address. It might not be found because of my MetaMask. Have I done this correctly? Spade. It was sushi, right? Oh. We're on Matic. Maybe that was the problem. Chain. That was the problem. Here we go. USDC. Swap it out. Do I have a problem here? Problem estimating the gas. This might have to do with the needing to upgrade my MetaMask, because this is the old, let's see, no, it went through, who knows. Alright guys, look, I know that I'm just kind of repeating the same old thing right now, but this was kind of just a checkup of the ones that we were on. I keep saying that I'm going to do some new stuff, but I just haven't, but I will. Bear with me, and I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye.